We see this as a very unique market, from a global perspective in terms of the potential, the huge potential that exists right now. And there's a combination of factors that are at play here, right? So the more macro kind of factors, when you think about overall GDP growth, productivity, the demographics, these are all very, very strong tailwinds for India, and that's a global consensus right now. And then when you kind of go one level deeper and look at the more micro factors, such as where the participation is of individuals in the investments landscape, how that is trending. It's at a low base, but it's starting to trend up. And then you project that forward. You see the immense potential there is for the country. So at this point in time, for BlackRock to come to India and then partner with Jio, very importantly, which has a very deep understanding of the Indian consumer, is a unique opportunity, and that's why we are very excited to be here as part of this joint venture.
Right. BlackRock has also entered the market at a time the AMC business is seeing phenomenal growth. Yeah. In terms of your projections, how do you see the asset management business in India evolving in the coming years?
Yeah, you're right. I mean, it's grown so quickly in the last few years, and I know we've just crossed over 75 trillion in assets. But I still think there is a lot more room to go. So in the next 5 to 7 years, this could be 2 to 3x from where we are right now. If you combine both the actual growth in the market, the beta itself, as well as all this potential of the people who are not yet in the markets moving from more of a saving mindset to an investing mindset, I can easily see this getting 2 to 3x from here.
Sure. JioBlackRock has launched the first active equity fund. What are the sectors you're optimistic about? You would be looking to target, with the launch of this fund and with the future rollout.
Yeah, it's a good question. This fund actually is very, very much focused on security selection, and I'll explain that if I can. So firstly, we're very excited that it's our first active equity fund. We're bringing a very different investment style, which is systematic active equity, to India, so which leverages a lot of data, technology, AI, combines that with the humans that we have in our teams. But the goal really for this fund is to generate alpha by looking at stock-specific returns. So that's really looking at one company versus another, and that's where the fund is really looking to generate its alpha. So as much as possible, the fund will try to remain sector neutral and look to generate alpha in the security-specific space. Now, this style of investing that we're bringing, again, is very adaptable in terms of how you decide you want to be generating the alpha. So while the first fund that we're launching, the FlexiCap fund, is looking at stock selection, we will be looking at other funds in the future that will be doing more in, let's say, in a sector space.